Here's how to buy crypto in under 60 seconds using Coinbase. Alright, start the timer. First, you'll need to download that Coinbase app and create an account. If you don't have an account, I'll leave my referral link in the description of this video. Coinbase is my preferred app because it is one of the most secure. On the home screen, click on the trade button that will have two arrows pointing left and right that looks like this. Here you will want to select buy and then select which cryptocurrency you are looking to buy. For this example, we will be buying Ethereum. After you have selected the cryptocurrency you are looking to buy, you will be able to add a payment method if you haven't already. Go ahead and enter how much you are looking to invest into the crypto that you have selected. Specify the amount of money in USD. Once you've chosen how much you'd like to purchase, hit the preview buy to see the final numbers. If everything looks good, click buy now. Congratulations, you are now the proud owner of cryptocurrency. You can log into Coinbase at any time to see how much your crypto has fluctuated. If you'd like to watch another video on my channel, make sure you click right here and I'll see you there. Peace.